Hi, my name is Steve Silva, and I'm the owner of this 1974 US Carrera. It's an early production Carrera, number 63 out of a total of 528 made. They came from the factory with the ducktail, and this one, because it's an early production, received or benefited from RS parts left over from the prior year, so it has real RS flares and an RS ducktail that came with it. When I found the car in late 2010, it was owned by a customer, and the mechanic was selling it for him. So we went and saw it and fell in love with it, realized it was an original lime green car, although it was guards red at the time. We saw through the frayed carpet that it was lime green, confirmed by the paint code. So that got me really excited, and we went on a full restoration, bare metal, done by Freddie Hernandez at Vintage Sports Car Restorations. Everything has been touched on the car. The restoration was completed in May of 2012, and I've had it and cherished it ever since. And the engine has been rebuilt to 2.9 liters too, for better performance specs as well, by John Halloran. Thank you. Let's go for a little ride.